In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace Payments. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. Once you're inside the main dashboard, head over to Settings. This is where you'll find the core configuration options for your website, including everything related to checkout, store management, and how you get paid. Inside Settings, click on Selling and then look for Payments. This section controls the payment methods available to your customers and the way your store processes transactions. When you arrive there, select Connect Squarespace Payments to begin the setup. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter your business details. Take your time here and make sure everything matches your official business records. Depending on your setup, this may include your business name, address, and other legal or operational information. You'll also need to provide your tax ID. This is an important part of the process because it helps verify your business for payment processing and compliance purposes. Next, enter your banking information for payouts. This is the bank account where your earnings will be deposited after customer payments are processed. Be careful when typing these details since even a small mistake could delay your payouts. It's always a good idea to double check the account and routing information before moving forward. After that, complete the identity verification step. This is a standard security measure used to confirm that the person setting up the account is authorized to do so. You may be asked for personal or business verification details, so make sure the information you provide is accurate and consistent with your official documents. If something doesn't match, it can slow down the approval process. Once everything has been filled out and reviewed, click Save and Enable. This final step activates Squarespace Payments on your site so you can begin accepting payments through your store. After enabling it, you may want to return to the Payments section to confirm that the connection is active and that your payout details are correct. That's it. Your payment setup should now